Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options for compact laundry solutions. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W, a fully automatic portable washer, and the 16L mini washer, known for its foldable design and portability. We'll dive into their features, pros, and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W offers a fully automatic washing experience, handling the entire wash, rinse, and spin cycle without user intervention. In contrast, the 16L mini washer is semi-automatic, requiring manual draining and rinsing. This makes the BLACK+DECKER more suitable for those who want a hassle-free laundry experience, while the mini washer is ideal for users who prioritize portability and simplicity. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads typical of apartment living. On the other hand, the 16L mini washer can hold up to 16 liters, but its actual usable capacity is much smaller, limiting it to delicate items and small loads. This difference highlights the BLACK+DECKER's advantage for users needing to wash more clothes at once. When it comes to portability, the 16L mini washer excels with its foldable design, allowing it to be easily stored and transported. In contrast, while the BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W has wheels for mobility, it requires more dedicated space when in use. Therefore, if you're looking for a washer that can easily fit into a travel bag or small storage area, the mini washer is the clear winner. In conclusion, the choice between the BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W and the 16L mini washer depends on your specific needs. If you require a reliable, fully automatic washing machine for your home, the BLACK+DECKER is the better option. However, if you prioritize portability and need a solution for small, delicate loads, the 16L mini washer is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.